Now we were on. Now 8th question. Which of the following statements are true? Every polynomial has a finite number of factors. Now, polynomial with power 1 has 1 factor. Polynomial with degree 2 has 2 factors. Polynomial with degree 3, that is cubic polynomial, has 3 factors. Likewise, the factors are finite. 3 with degree 3 have 3 factors, with degree 2. Likewise, it will be finite number of factors it has. So every polynomial has a finite number of factors. Is a true statement. So first statement is true. Now the second statement. For all values of m, a to the power m minus b to the power m is divisible by a minus b. We have to check if a to the power m minus b to the power m is divisible by a minus b. If m is any value, just check for a to the power 1. For m equals to 1, it will be a to the power 1 minus b to the power 1. It will be divided by a minus b. Yes, it is divisible. A minus b divided by a minus b will be 1. Okay. For m equals to 2, it will be a square minus b square upon a minus b. A square minus b square, can we write it as a plus b into a minus b? This is the formula for a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b upon a minus b. So these are the factors. A plus b, a minus b are the factors of a square minus b square. Okay, upon a minus b. Okay, this is divisible. So our answer will be a plus b. Now for m equals to 3. For m equals to 3, it will be a cube minus b cube upon a minus b. So for a cube minus b cube, formula is, we can expand a cube minus b cube. The formula is a minus b in one bracket, in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square upon a minus b. So the factors of a cube minus b cube are a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is also divisible. It will be cut and we will get a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Now we will check for m equals to 4. For m equals to 4, if we put m as 4, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 upon a minus b. A to the power 4 we can write as a square to the power whole square, a square to the power square minus b square to the power 2 upon a minus b. Now this is a square is we can take it as a, and b square we can take it as b. So this is the formula of a square minus b square. We can split it, expand it as a minus a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Here a is a square, so we will write a square plus b square upon a square minus b square upon a minus b. Now further we can expand this, we can factorize this. What it will be? A square plus b square, a square minus b square. Again we can put the formula, a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So it upon a minus b. So these are the factors of a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So what we will get answer? A square plus b square into a plus b. So now if we take any value of m, then a to the power n minus m minus b to the power n will be divisible by a minus b. Okay, so second one is also correct. Now the third one, if the sum of the coefficients of a polynomial is 0, x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. This statement we have taken in level 1 question 1. The statement is on page number 14, note 1. You can see that, note 1, page number 14. If the sum of the coefficients of the terms in a polynomial is 0, then x minus 1 is the factor. We can take an example. If this is the example, we will take the sum of the coefficients. X square's coefficient is 1, x coefficient is minus 5 and plus 4. What is the sum? 1 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So if the sum of the coefficients is 0, then x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. So it is the true statement. Okay. Now the fourth one, a linear polynomial f of x is equals to ax plus b. Then a is not equals to 0, has a unique root given by x equals to minus b upon a. Now f of x is equals to ax plus b. In polynomial, if it is a factor, then how we will write? We will write f of 0 as ax plus b, f of x as ax plus b is equals to 0. So what we will get? X value of x as ax is equals to minus b, x equals to minus b upon a. So it is a true statement. We will get root as minus b upon a. So all the four statements are true. Now the ninth one, the expression x minus 1 is a factor of x minus 1. Now we can check same page 14 note 1. We can check by that when the x minus 1 is a factor, x minus is a factor when sum of coefficients is 0. Now let us take options. First option is x square minus 5x minus 6. So we can sum the coefficients 1 minus 5 minus 6. It will be equals to 1 minus 5 is minus 4 minus 6 is minus 2. It is not equal to 0. Therefore x minus 1 will not be the factor of first option. Now second option, x square plus x plus 2. Sum the coefficients 1 plus 1 plus 2. It is equals to 4. It is also not equal to 0. So x minus 1 will not be the factor of second one. Now third one, x square plus x minus 2. If we sum the coefficients 1 plus 1 minus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. Okay. Now check the fourth one. As it is a multi-correct choice question. X square plus 3x minus 4. Coefficients are 1, 3 and minus 4. 1 plus 3 minus 4. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So this x minus 1 will be the factor of fourth polynomial also. So third and fourth are the factors of x minus 1. Okay. Now 10th question. 10th question is statement type. We have to see whether the statements are true or false. The polynomial f of x is equals to x to the power 155 minus y to the power 155 is divisible by x minus y. We have just seen the example like this. Check option 8, question 8 second. We have just solved this example. A to the power m minus b to the power m. It's divisible by a minus b. It is the same question. So it is a true statement. Now second one. The expression x minus 1 is the factor of the polynomial. We have to check x minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial. F of x equals to 79x square minus 69x minus 10. So, when x minus 1 is the factor, same, page 14, note 1. So, if sum of the coefficients of this are 0, then x minus 1 will be the factor. So just add the coefficients 79 minus 69 minus 10. 79 minus 69 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0. So x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. Okay. So first statement and second statement both are true. First option, both statements are true. Now 11th one. The least value that should be added to x cube minus 3x square x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 13 the least value that should be added to this polynomial to obtain a polynomial which is exactly divisible by x minus 3. What should be added to this polynomial so that it should be exactly divisible by x minus 3? So we can solve it by remainder theorem. We can solve it by remainder theorem. From this x minus 3 is equals to 0, x will be equals to 3. Now put x equals to 3 in this polynomial. It will be 3 cube minus 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 13. Now 3 cube is 27 minus 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 13. So 27 minus 27 will be 0, plus 12 minus 13 will be minus 1. If this polynomial is exactly divisible by x minus 3, then by remainder theorem it should be 0. But it is minus 1. So what should be added? Not minus 1. If it is minus 1, we have to just add 1 minus more, it will be plus 1. We have to add 1 to this polynomial to get exactly divisible by x minus 3. So the option is first. If it is asked what should be subtracted, the answer will be as it is. If it is said that what should be added, then we have to just put the minus sign and the answer will be in positive. So 1 should be added to this polynomial. Okay. Now 12, the remainder. We have to find the remainder. If p of x equals to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, when it is divided by x minus a, when this polynomial is divided by x minus a, the remainder, we have to find the remainder. We can find it by remainder theorem. If this is divisible by x minus a, then p of a will be equals to 0. That is, x will be equals to a. Just put x equals to a in this polynomial. We will get p of a is equals to x cube it is. So a cube minus a into x square is a square plus 6a minus a. It will be equals to 0 by remainder theorem. So a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a is equals to 0. So a cube minus a cube will be 0. 6a minus a, it is equals to 5a. So p of a will be 5a. Remainder is 5a. So the option is third one, 5a. Now 13th, when f of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 2x minus 4. We have to find the remainder when this polynomial is divided by, it is given up as f of x, g of x is 1 minus 3x. We have to find the remainder. So by remainder theorem, again we can find it by remainder theorem. It will be 1 minus 3x equals to 0. So 3x will be equals to minus 1. 3x will be equals to 1. So x will be equals to 1 by 3. So put the value of x equals to 1 by 3 in this polynomial. So f of 1 by 3 will be equals to 0. So f of 1 by 3, put the value as x, value of x as 1 by 3 in this polynomial. It will be 1 by 3 cube minus 6, x square is 1 by 3 square plus 2x, 2 into 1 by 3 minus 4. So it will be 1 cube is 1, 3 cube is 27 minus 6 multiplied by 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9 plus this is 2 upon 3 minus 4. Now we have to take the LCM because the denominators are different. The LCM of 3, 9, 27 will be 27. I solve this here. It will be 27. LCM will be 27. So what it will be? I arrange it once. Now take the LCM. It will be 1. What we have to multiply 9 with to get 27 multiply by 3. If we multiply in denominator, we have to multiply in numerator also. It will be 18 plus. We want here 27. It will multiply by 9, multiply by 9. It will be 18 minus. Here also we want 27. Denominator is 1. So multiply by 27. Numerator will be also multiply by 27. So what is 27 multiplied by 4? It is 108 upon LCM was 27. So I write it 27. Now minus 18 plus 18 is 0. 1 minus 108 is minus 107 upon 27. So our answer is remainder is minus 107 upon 27. So for option first. Now 14th matrix match time. Let us see A. If x plus A is a factor of x to the power 4 minus A square x square plus 3x minus 6. Then the value of A. We have to find the value of A. If x plus A is a factor of this polynomial. If x plus A is a factor of this polynomial, then f of minus A will be equals to 0. From this we have find the value of x. X equals to minus A. So f of minus A will be 0. To find the f of minus A, we will just put the value of minus A instead of x. Minus A to the power 4 minus A square x square minus A square plus 3 into minus A minus 6. Now minus A to the power 4 is A to the power 4 minus A square is A square and A square multiplied by A square is A to the power 4. 3 multiplied by minus A is minus 3A minus 6. Now A to the power 4 minus A to the power 4 is 0. It is equals to 0. Now minus 3A minus 6 is equals to 0. Now minus 3A will be equals to 6. A will be equals to 6 upon minus 3. A will be equals to minus 2. So our answer is minus 2. That is x. X is given as minus 2. Now second one, the value of L. If Lx to the power 4 plus mx cube plus 2x square plus 4 is exactly divisible by x square minus x minus 2. We have to find the value of L. We will simultaneously solve B and C because B and C are same, having same equations, and we have to find L and M both. So we will solve B and C simultaneously. Okay. So it will be, we have to find the factors of these first because we have to divide it by these. We will find the factors of this polynomial. It will be x square. What is the, we have to find multiplication of two numbers, that is it will be equals to minus 2 and the sum will be minus 1. So what are the numbers? Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 and their sum minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So those numbers are minus 2x and plus x, minus 2. Hence, x will be taken common, x minus 2, in second bracket it will be x minus 2 and common is 1. So the factors of these are x minus 2 and x plus 1. Now, the factors of this polynomial are x minus 2 and x plus 1. So x minus 2, from this x will be equals to 2, x is equals to minus 1. These are the factors. So f of minus 1 will be equals to 0 and f of 2 will be also equals to 0 by remainder theorem. Now we will find f of minus 1 first. F of minus 1. Put the value of minus 1 instead of x. L, x to the power 4 means minus 1 to the power 4 plus m, x cube is minus 1 cube plus 2, x square is minus 1 square plus 4. It is equals to minus 1 to the power 4 is 1, L is remaining minus 1 cube is minus 1, so it will be minus m, minus 1 square is 1, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 4. It is equals to 0 and it will be also equals to 0. L minus m we get 2 plus 4 is 6. If we put it in right side, it will be minus 6. Let us take it as equation 1. Now, minus 1 was the factor, another factor was 2. So we will find f of 2. So f of 2 will be L, put 2 instead of x, it will be 2 to the power 4 plus m 2 cube plus 2 square plus 4. Now solve it. 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 2 cube is 8, 8m plus 2 square is 4, 4 to the 8 plus 4. It is also equal to 0 by remainder theorem. So 16L plus 8m, it will be equals to minus 12. So for easy calculations, we can divide it the whole equation by 4. If we divide whole equation by 4, what we will get? It will be 4L plus 2m equals to minus 3. It will be our equation 2. Okay. Now we have to solve equation 1 and equation 2 to find the value of L and M. I write both the equations here. L minus m equals to minus 6. This is equation 1. And equation 2 was 4L plus 2m equals to minus 3. You can solve it by linear equation in one variable, in two variables. we have to make the coefficient of one variable same. So we can multiply, here it is plus, here it is minus. If we multiply the equation 1 by 2, we can cancel m because it is minus and it is plus. If we add 1 and 2, we will get the value of l. So what if we multiply equation 1 by 2, what we will get? 2l minus 2m is equals to minus 12. Now this will be our equation 3. So now we can add 2 and 3. What we will get? 4l plus 2m equals to minus 3 plus 2l minus 2m equals to minus 12. Now 4l plus 2l will be 6l and plus 2m minus 2m will be 0. And minus 3 minus 12 will be minus 15. So 6l equals to minus 15. So L will be equals to minus 15 upon 6. We can divide numerator and denominator by 3. What we will get? We will get 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6. L we have got L equals to minus 5 upon 2. So we will put the value of L in either of the equations to get the value of M. L is equals to minus 5 by 2. We will put the value of L equals to minus 5 by 2. In equation 1. You can put it either of the equation. So L equals to minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 minus M will be equals to minus 6. Now M will be equals to minus 5 by 2 plus 6. We have to take the LCM. The LCM is 2. So minus 5 plus 12 upon 2. So it will be 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 upon 2. So we have got the L equals to minus 5 by 2 and M equals to 7 by 2. We have solved the B and C simultaneously. So for B, it is we have asked the value of N. So it is minus 5 by 2. That is option P. For the third, C, the value of M is asked. The value of M is 7 by 2. So it is Q. For C option, it is Q option. And for B, it is P option. Okay. Now we can see D. If x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2. It is exactly divisible by x square minus 3x plus 2 and value of A is asked. So we will just split this equation, this expression x square, it will be minus 2x minus x plus 2. The multiplication of minus 2 and minus 1 is 2 and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So x we will get common and x minus 2, here it is also x minus 2 plus 1 is common. So x minus 2, x plus 1. These both are the factors of this polynomial. So we can get the value of x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 1. So we will find, so f of 2 by remainder theorem, f of 2 will be equals to 0 and f of minus 1 will be equals to 0. Here it is minus, so it will be minus, so x equals to 2 and x equals to 1 are the factors. So f of 2 will be equals to 0 and f of 1 will be equals to 0. Now we will find f of 2 and f of 1. F of 2 is, put the value of 2 as x as 2. So it will be 2 cube minus 6 2 square plus 2a plus b. It is equals to 0. 2 cube is 8 minus 24 plus 2a plus b. It is equals to 0. So 2a plus b will be equals to 16. Now we have got the equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus b is equals to 16. Now we will find f of 1. F of 1 will be 1 cube minus 6 1 square plus a plus b. It will be equals to 0. 1 minus 6 plus a plus b. So a plus b will be 5. Now if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we can get the value of a. So if we equation 1 minus equation 2. So 2a minus a. 2a minus a is a and b minus b is 0. 16 minus 5 is 11. So we have got the value of a as 11. Also we have got the value of a as 11 and it is option T. Now, so remaining we will do in next lecture. Bye bye.